How to fix COD Modern Warfare 2 audio/sound not working on Windows PC. 1. Check in-game audio settings and apply the following settings. Set audio mix to PC. Disable mono audio. 2. Uncheck hands-free telephony in speaker device or Bluetooth headset properties. 3. Select the right audio. Device in sound settings. 4. Set the sound sample rate to 48/44 kHz in control panel. 5. Disconnect ear. Controller. 6. Turn off spatial sound. Like this. 7. Disable Oculus/voice meter audio device in devices and printers, manager. Plan B, clean boot your Windows. 8. Disconnect/disable. External microphone. 10. Verify the game files. 10.1 in Steam. Like this. 10.2 in Battle.net. 11. Update your BIOS. Install audio driver, all device drivers, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.